Sour candy yawn hack. Stop your next yawn in its tracks with a sour candy. Scientists say that popping something tangy in your mouth can actually jolt your brain out of that sleepy, yawning state, way faster than pinching yourself or holding your breath. Your mouth's sudden burst of sour flavor sends a shockwave of sensory information straight to your brain. This wake-up call interrupts the automatic yawn reflex, making your body forget it was ever tired in the first place. It's not just about taste, the surprise factor is key. The brain loves patterns and predictability, so when you suddenly hit it with an unexpected zing, it forces your mind to pay attention. Next time you feel a yawn building, try biting into a lemon slice or popping a sour gummy. You might be amazed how quickly that sleepy feeling disappears.